Hey guys, welcome back to Kala Poshna. This is Vishnu. I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video, I'm gonna make this beautiful Pooja Mandiram that you can place it on the floor or hang it to the wall. These feet are detachable and it's multi-purpose, and I have added these beautiful small bells to give it like a beautiful mandir look and created my style of Muggu design with mandala dots, and it looks so beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Now, without any delay, let's get started.
First, I got all the wood pieces ready to make this peetam. I'm using these furniture metal plates to add the feet and make this peetam detachable and multi-purpose. Using a paper, I made the markings and used this paper to create the markings for drilling the holes. As I'm doing a larger version, instead of a paintbrush, I'm using a roll-on to paint the surface. You can absolutely use a paintbrush. I painted all the pieces and placed them as needed before painting the design. I have provided details of all the items I have used to make this peetam in the video description. Please do check it out. I am painting mandala dots design. Please follow along. I pulled the railing as shown here so that I can add the bells. I'm using mini brass bells here. Once all the bells are attached to the hooks, using wood glue, I have attached the railing back in place. If you have followed my channel, this is the same Muggu design I did in my previous videos. Please do check out for step-by-step process how I created this design. Here I am doing double circles Muggu design to cover the peetam area so that the design pops out. I am attaching the wall hangings so that I can hang the mandir to the wall. Now all my design is ready. It's time to assemble my portable, detachable, multi-purpose peetam. First, I have attached all the pieces using wood glue. Later, I drilled screws from the back to secure it. Finally, add some wood feet to finish the corners of the railings. I can use this for my walls or use it as portable peetam for any puja occasion. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and got some ideas for your next DIY. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys in my next video.